Welcome to our comparison of two powerful Intel processors, the Core i9-12900K and the Core i7-14700K. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, explore their strengths and weaknesses, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The Intel Core i9-12900K features 16 cores, consisting of 8 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, with a boost clock speed of up to 5.2 GHz. In contrast, the Intel Core i7-14700K boasts 20 cores, with 8 performance cores and 12 efficiency cores, and a higher boost clock speed of 5.6 GHz. This difference in core count and clock speed can significantly impact performance in multitasking and gaming scenarios. The i9-12900K is known for its excellent gaming performance and high clock speeds, making it a great choice for gamers who prioritize raw power. However, it lacks integrated graphics, which can be a drawback for users who do not have a dedicated GPU. On the other hand, the i7-14700K offers a higher core count and integrated graphics, providing a more balanced solution for multitasking and basic functionality without a dedicated GPU. However, it may run hotter under heavy loads. User feedback for the i9-12900K has been mixed, with many praising its gaming performance but also noting its high power consumption and lack of integrated graphics. Conversely, the i7-14700K has received positive reviews for its multitasking capabilities and integrated graphics, making it a versatile choice for various users. However, some users have mentioned potential software incompatibility due to its higher core count. In conclusion, the choice between the Intel Core i9-12900K and the Intel Core i7-14700K ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you prioritize gaming performance and are willing to invest in a dedicated GPU, the i9-12900K is an excellent choice. However, if you need a well-rounded processor with integrated graphics and a higher core count for multitasking, the i7-14700K may be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.